Hey everybody, welcome to the Montauk necklace video tutorial. Let's unpack our supplies, see what we have in this month's kit. We have an adjustable cord necklace closure. It's got a really cool slide so that you can adjust your necklace length. What else? We have some really cool white stone chevron beads. They actually interlock when you string them up. They're really cool. They kind of look like snake vertebrae. We have all of our findings, which are soft flex wire, little tiny gold-filled tube crimp beads, and a jump ring. It's a gold-filled metal circle that has an opening. We have, our faceted lapis beads. And last but not least, our really pretty gold seashell pendant. All right, now that we have all of our supplies unpacked, grab your toolkit, your flat nose pliers, and your cutters, your bead stoppers, and your design board, and meet me back here for instruction. Let's start by designing our necklace using our bead design board. You can put your pendant down at the 0, and you start laying your beads in the channel to design out your pattern. These chevron beads interlock and they look really cool when they're stacked up next to each other, at least in sets of 3 or more. You can do them single also. That's the beauty of this necklace, is that you can make whatever pattern you want. And the design board allows you to change up your pattern before you string it on to your necklace. I really like doing asymmetrical with this necklace, but it's totally up to you. You can make it symmetrical, asymmetrical. You could do all of the chevrons stacked up together and then all of the lapis. You can do all the lapis up front. You can do every other one. That's the beauty of making your own jewelry. Whatever design you want. All right, I've designed out my necklace. I went with a little more symmetrical pattern for this necklace since I already have my asymmetrical, funky, playful one over there. Our next step is gonna be to put a jump ring on our shell pendant so that when we string it on our necklace, it hangs straight. The loop that is on the shell is going this way. If you were to string it on, it's gonna sit on its side. So there is a circle, a gold-filled jump ring that came in your kit. It has an opening. Go ahead and find that opening. Grab your pliers. Grab one side of the jump ring with the round nose pliers and one side with your flat nose pliers. Again, when you open a jump ring, you want to move one plier towards you and one plier away from you. You don't ever want to open your jump ring out this way. You'll never get it closed together by moving it that way. You always want this movement with a jump ring. Okay, now that we have it open, slide your seashell pendant on and close it up using the same movement with your pliers. Back together. You can rock it a little bit and push in at the same time just to close up your jump ring. You can feel it too to make sure it's nice and smooth. That means it's closed up. And now it's ready to string onto our necklace. So grab your soft flex beading wire, put your bead stopper on the end like this. Leave yourself, a little inch and a half worth of tail. And then start stringing from one end all the way around to the next. Here's a tip. Start and stop with a lapis bead, one on each end, because it'll be easier to get your crimp bead in there. All right, start stringing. Now that we have all of our beads on our beading wire, it's time to attach this to our necklace cord. There are 2 open rings on the end of our necklace cord, and on the other side of it, there's 2 bead caps. These go at the back, and the loops are what we're gonna hook our beaded necklace portion onto. Go ahead and grab a crimp bead. There's 4 in here, you only need 2. I always give you extra because they're so tiny, but they're so crucial. If you drop one, you can't finish your necklace. So, slide your crimp tube onto your soft flex beading wire, loop it through your necklace cord, back through the crimp bead, and slide it up tight to meet the ring. You want to leave a little bit of movement, a little bit of room between the crimp and the ring, but not too much. Flat nose plier, squish that crimp flat. Take your little cutters, get in there, snip off your extra. Slide your beads down, take off your bead stopper. Make sure that there isn't any wire showing. Grab a crimp bead, slide it on through the other side of our cord here. Back through the crimp. Hold the cord in one hand and the tail of your wire in the other, and just slide up all the slack. Flat nose pliers, crimp it flat, trim off your extra. And now we have a finished necklace that is half cord, half beads, gorgeous shell pendant with an adjustable slide closure. You can pull it all the way long over your head and then slide it up tight. You can wear it as a choker or as a super long necklace. I love the versatility of using an adjustable necklace closure. Have fun with this.